Hi guys, what's up beautiful people? How are you guys doing? Hey, najua kuna baridi, kumenyesha, but we thank God for the blessings, you know. So, for those who have subscribed to our channel, thank you so much. For those who are coming back to watch the video, thank you so much. And if you are new here, you are welcome, and please consider subscribing, guys. Let's reach to, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. Yes, yeah, when the road to 500 subscribers, and let's make it possible, because we can do it there. So today we are doing a cooking video. We are making dinner for 3 people.
Yes,
we are making dinner for 3 people, and sinyi mnaona pia vitu zetu tunapika ndio hizi hapa. Hapa tunapika hizi ni pilipili na hizi na hizo makadhalika. Kuna tomato paste, then kuna manyanya hapa, kuna red oil, kuna hii dry fish, kuna masukuma hapo. So tutakuwa tunapika stew na rice ndio hii hapa. Then mnyama ndio ule pale. Mnyama ndio hiyo hapa tutakuwa tunapika. So what else? Chakula ya baby ndio ishaiva, anakula malenge, anakula mayai. So baby ako sawa na anything we cook. Mnyama nilikuwa naongelelea ndio huyu hapa. Ndio namuogopa, but ndio huyu mnyama. So hii ndio itakuwa our dinner for today. There is rice, there is mnyama ndio huyu, and then there is all this food ya baby ndio nishapika. So before I forget guys, please let's subscribe. Let's reach 500 subscribers. We are on the road there and we can do it. So let us go straight to the video. We need
I don't search for you everywhere. I don't look for you everywhere. I've been looking for a good woman. I've been searching for a good woman. Well, yeah. I don't search for you everywhere. I don't look for you everywhere. I've been looking.
So, nishatoa kuku manyoya, lakini acha nisiwadanganye, si mimi nimetoa. Ndio huyu unaona venye mkubwa. Kama unataka kuku kama hizi unaweza niambia, angalia. So tunataka tu slice, then ni blend food ya mtoi, then tuendelee. So hii tutakuwa tuna slice hapa. Babe, you will come and help me to slice it, sindio?
sure, yes of course.
Then come now.
All right, yeah.
So akikuwa akislice hiyo, mimi nitakuwa nikiblend food ya mtoi ndio hii hapa. This is malenge, maziwa na kadhalika. So I will blend baby's food as is. Let's do it.
You can see that.
It's so, if you see rain outside.
Rain?
It's raining. People are walking 2 by 2 by this weather.
I can't even look at rain outside. Okay, this weather good for 2. Weather for 2.
Yeah. Don't mind the blender, hivi ndio inapiga makelele. Papa, you have to say hi. Come say hi. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi. He's saying hey.
I'm singing for you guys.
Sing one song.
I hope you are going to finish the cooking now. I'm so hungry. Boy, what is happening?
So nitakuwa nikimpatia chakula yake wa kwanza juu nikaada ngojea. So nitakuwa nampatia chakula saa hii. Wewe atakula wa kwanza. Baba. Nisipomblenge chakula yake hivyo hawezi kula. Ajui kutafuna bado. Tuanza kutafuna lini? Hebu tuambie. So come, let's go and give Chibuzo his food.
Yes.
Wait. So nyama yetu ndio hii ilikuwa ishakatakatwa. As you can see, ndio ishakatakatwa. So nataka niioshe then nikatikate hizi vitunguu ndani. So let us wash it together.
I want to see how quality woman you are for cooking. Since you married me, since you married to a Nigerian.
So since then you have never known how I cook. Because now you want to
I know that you cook well, but I want you to show to the world that yes, you can do it.
I'm cooking now and I'm also learning and I'm still learning.
Yes.
I'm still learning and I continue learning.
Every day by day is learning.
My eyes.
It's good for eye. It can help your eye. Can clear your
Make me
eye.
cry now.
Can become cry of cooking.
This is onions to cooking. And again, I'm not showing how to cook. It's not like I'm teaching anybody how to cook. We are doing how we used to cook every day. You know, babe?
Yes. All right. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby.
Vitunguu nishaeka, so next acha tuweke chumvi. Bina ni mtu kuweka chumvi mingi. It's better I put small. Aya, Royco. Kai hizi vitunguu zimekamulia. Kai. Royco. Kai, hebu ngoja nipanguze machozi kwanza. Can you start?
Yes.
Na kwa hiyo pilipili, hiyo nini inaitwa kitunguu imenipeleka mbio sana. So next acha tuweke pilipili. Nilikuwa nishai blend, ndio hii hapa pilipili. Pilipili kama yote. Hii pia ni nyingine mwacho. So after nimeka kila kitu, so inakaa hivi. Inakaa hivi. Taichemsha. Pilipili jamani. Taichemsha. Then isa kuna nyanya. Nilikuwa nishaanza katakata, so hizi pia tutazichemsha. Let me tell myself sorry first.
Sorry, baby.
I think I should tell myself sorry by eating one.
You have said you are hungry, man.
No, it's just to console myself.
That one good too.
So as I'm boiling all these things, I will be cleaning the place to be the So kuna hii dried fish. I know Kenyans have no idea about this, but kuna hii hapa naitoanisha kuamisha mifupa nitoe juu ya mtoto na anadandiana. Maybe you can cut. So guys, and you can also tell us what you want to see, what you want to know about us. You see, you can be writing for us there in the comments. Then we will be doing it for you. We will be showing you everything raw and uncut. How many have you, babe?
Yes, you are right, babe. That's why we are here for Eric Palms Family TV. We are here to showcase our activities at home and outside. Cynthia?
Again, guys, we are free to welcome any other. We are a big family, and anyone that feels to join us and be doing great things with us, you can also tell us, and sisi si wabaya hivyo, we will welcome you very well. Try us. Shida tu ni utasumbuliwa na mtoto atakulilia. Hapa ni hizo madamu za kuku zenye zilikuwa zimeruka na. That's what I'm cleaning now.
Search for you everywhere. I don't look for you everywhere. I've been looking for a good woman. I've been searching for a good woman. Well, yeah. I don't search for you everywhere. I don't look for you everywhere. I've been looking for a good woman. I've been searching for a good woman. Well,
eat banana, so let me eat maembe.
So you were feeling bad when I was eating.
I'm not feeling bad, but I'm feeling hungry too. Yeah. But if you need it, let me give you. I know you don't like it, but I have to give you as well.
You want to force me?
No. A good husband does force his wife.
No, I don't like my end. It's better I eat 50 bananas than 21.
Really?
Or if I want to eat my end, if I want to eat my end, I'll eat the green one. The one that they eat salt.
That's why I put
But this was my mind telling me.
come.
You see, Meg, I have washed this knife. You have come, you have used it, then you are leaving it like this.
Sorry, baby.
Come on, Jambo. So guys, tumekaa nilikuwa nimeenda kupatia mtu hii food, amenikalisha na nyanya zishachemka. Ndio hizi hapa. Nishaekelea mchele, ndio hii hapo. So nataka nikarange hii. Ni kukaanga ama ni kukaranga? Okay. Either way, I want to fry the kuku. So hizi manyanya zetu hapa. First of all, I have to put in salad. But am I mixing the salad and the red all together? Nyanya zetu ndio hizi hapa zishachemka. Unaona? Naweka vitunguu zetu. Nataka vitunguu ziive pamoja na hii tomato paste. So nitafanya kama tomato paste. So guys, I had a complaint that our videos are not loud enough, and trust me, we are working on that. Very soon we will have a quality volume, so manage and bear with us for now. You see, we are working on the sound. So hii naitwa sijui jina yake. So hii tutaweka kiasi tu like that. Then hii is a dried thyme. Wenye wanaijua nani, but najua. Okay, kwenye nimetoka najua most hawajui. Sijui kama nyinyi wengine mnaijua. So dried thyme. That's perfect for boga. So I don't think there's anything else to add here. So tutakuwa tunaosha hii rice tena. Our filter ndio hii hapa. Then nyanya ndio hizi tutakuwa tunaziweka. This one does not take time to deliver. Zika pamoja na hizi, zika pamoja. Chumvi.
Now you add meat. Add the meat to the water.
So we are adding our meat, everything, including the maji.
Add salt a little. Just little.
So guys, food ishaiva na mimi nimekuja kuchukua food tuende tukaizikule. As you can see, ndio hii stew, ndio hii rice na bado kuna zingine hapa.
Let's go and test the food to see if she really cook the food very well.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I believe you can do well, but at least I want to test the food to see how it's gonna taste. You know, I believe my wife. So
Subscribe to our channel.
you guys should subscribe, share, and like, and star.